opened registration for a new beginners group classes starting 26th April. And yes, you can visit igbowithprince.com. All the details you need are there. The schedule, the exact time we'll be having the classes there on Saturdays. And all classes are recorded, which is amazing. And we have amazing materials that you get during the course and you have with you to help you through the journey of learning Igbo. And also we have 4 pronunciation workshops that is outside of the 12 classes that you're going to be having every Saturday. We have 4 pronunciation workshops spread across the duration of the course, and they are super, super amazing. It's a voice chat, right? I don't know which is my favorite, whether it is the daily activities that we do on WhatsApp, because that is super, super amazing. I like what it does for the students participating in the course. Every single day, you are doing something, just a 3 minute activity, and that is super beneficial, super helpful. And it also helps prep the students before the class, because the phrases are so designed, they are designed in such a way that the phrases lift off of the things that we are going to be with vocabulary and sentence structures that we're going to be learning in the next class. We start doing phrases on those, and you pick up the structures, you get familiar with the content. Then when you come to class, it's like, oh yeah, everything is not strange and new. And then the guided conversation practices that happen during the sessions is super, super amazing, super brilliant work. And the flashcard is one of my finest piece of Igbo works that I've done. You have flashcard folders, you have the resources inside of them. These flashcards have audio, visual, in terms of pictures and text, and then how the words are pronounced, recorded by myself. Like, and you can literally pace yourself, on the flashcards. You can remove the words that you're familiar with. And so you only have to review the words that you are having difficulties with. The course, I can only describe it as one of the best investments you can make for your speaking Igbo. It is so beautiful. Go sign up, because once the class is full, we are going to have to cut off registration, remove the form from the page, and we no longer accept sign-ups.